shot out because I have been told about something which is up for sale, which I've been curious about for a very long time, but also I'm always open to new ideas. And I have said that if there was something that was pretty architecturally in the same area that was less size, a little some outbuildings, so I could have, you know, proper little workshops, etc., some potential that was cheaper than the chateau, I would obviously consider these things. And something's come up that I have previously gone, oh, that's cute, and I need to have a look at it now. Believe it or not, it's literally a 3-minute walk from my bar. So there it is. I've looked at that for years coming to this bar. Now apparently it's for sale. You literally wouldn't believe it. Around that bend is my bar. I'll make life a bit easier. Not sure. Interesting. So you won't be able to, well, you might be able to, just past that telegraph pole down there on the right, it's a bit of rubble. So for years there was actually a little stone barn down there, and one day they just knocked it down. I guess that's something to do with, I don't know, whether the previous owner has now passed on, or that's why it's come up for sale. Don't know, but it's quite a pretty view, isn't it? So this is a little stone house which comes with it, with no water or electric, but that could be quite cool. There is, obviously this is grazing land because there's some cows in it a minute ago, but apparently you can buy some of this with it. So, because my issue here is there isn't really much of a garden. You've got to cross the farm track. But it's a cute building, isn't it? Barn and a hangar at the side. Little bread oven. And I guess, because there's a farm just up there, which is probably one of the issues, I guess this is probably the original farmhouse. And it's all been split up since. Obviously I can, smell some cows. That's a polite way of doing it. Hello, cows! Hello, cows! What's happening? So yeah, that's okay. The farm's pretty close. That hangar, and that's got some potential for something, isn't it? That stone barn, that's the old bread oven. So I guess that would be a workshop tool shed. But I wouldn't need as many tools, would I, with a house this size? What do you think, cows? What do you think? I don't know. What do you all think? I mean, I'll get the agent's listing up. Significantly easier to maintain than my house, but I reckon I'll be bored pretty quickly. Because it ain't exactly a massive project, is it? Nice little garden to sit in, but you've got to cross a road to get to your other buildings, and I don't know, has it got potential? Has it not? I mean, I'll show you inside. I like the view. You know, when sometimes you look at something for so many years and you always go, I'm always intrigued, and then one day you see it and you're not that excited. So I've looked at this place, as I said, I'll come up this way, and you just see it when you come around that corner on that bend. I've always looked at it, I've always thought it's quite cute. And now it's finally up for sale. And I'm not really. A bit like Shouldn't Meet Your Heroes. I'm not really, I don't know. I can't now picture it. I once said to Angelina, if one wanted to downsize, that would be a cute place, hardly any maintenance in comparison. And easy to look after. but not sure. Lots of potential. You know, that's cute. Bread oven, that hanger. And inside, well, I'll tell you what, I'll show you inside. These are the estate agent's photos from the listing, and it looks really nice. It's pretty, it's got a lot of potential, and I do like it. It's just, I don't know if it's a big enough project for what I want. However, I think it's only 2 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bathroom, then it's obviously a kitchen, diner, and a living room. There's some space in the attic. It's really nice that obviously there's the other building right opposite. But I don't know if this one is for me. And if something isn't screaming out at me, then that means it's just not right. What are your thoughts? And how much do you think it is? There's always an interesting one. Mate, it's raining. You want to go inside? Come on, it's raining. Oh. For everyone in the comments, why didn't you have a spare? Well, most cars these days are actually designed with run flats and no spare, and to just simply use foam. And this had a split in the sidewall, which foam doesn't help. Does it, mate? That's why, isn't it? Yeah? You'd be surprised how many cars don't have spares, which is actually no spare in the 1 Series, no space for it. That's why I prefer the Range Rover. Well, that'll just break down before it has a flat tyre. Come on, let me in, I'm getting wet. I'm going to say that the arrival of a lot of rain when I went off to have a look at something that was for sale, that's an omen. That's an omen. And I don't think you want to go anywhere, do you? It's not going to be big enough for you, is it? Hey? Hey? You want to stay here? You want to stay here? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Right, so I need to ask a question. Yeah, definitely the other place would be too small for me. Does anybody locally want this and just, put something into the donation pot for little bits and pieces? I do not want this chair. I don't want to finish it off and sell it. So if somebody locally can make beautiful use of it as it deserves to be, and just buy me a drink or something, and please just get in touch. Anyway, I'm going to get back to clearing this gym and like loads of other parts of this house. It's a very, very big place. I have lots of space, and it is all set out in a way that I utilise all of that space. However, there is no point in me saying, oh, a little house like that one is too small for me until I clear gym and start using it. And if I don't use it, then I don't need a gym at the other place. If I don't use the back garden for parties this year, I don't need a massive back garden. So this is going to be all about clearing this place, either utilising it or not, and then making any decisions that I need from there. However, I think I would need bigger than that place, although it's very cute. I do like it. But it's not screaming out to me. And if it's not screaming out to me, it's not even worth seeing with the estate agent and wasting their time. And it's not worth thinking about to move on from here. So I think I need a place that's going to be a new build if I'm going to go from here and build something from scratch for myself. How much do you think it was though, everyone? 120,000 euros. And that is a bargain. Right, I'm going to get on with my gym. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Say bye to everyone, Lightning. Say goodbye. No? You're just going to lie here? King of the castle. All right, mate. Bye-bye, everyone.